Here we are in Chapter 1, Review Exercises, numbers 19 through 26. Here we're supposed to multiply. Number 19, 719 times a negative 8. We have a positive times a negative. That means we need to worry about, well, we'll just do the normal one. 719 times 8, but just realize that the answer will end up positive times negative is a negative. 8 times 9 is 72. That 7 carries. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 7 is 15. The 1 carries. And 8 times 7 is 56, plus 1 is a 57. So 57, 52, but the answer is a negative. Make sure you remember that. We could put that guy right there if we wanted to. There we go. Good. Number 20. These are fractions, and the rules for multiplying fractions are straight across the top. 35. Straight across the bottom, 13 times 3. Might have to do that off here. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3. 39. 35, 39ths. Excellent. All right, number 21. 4,127 times 9. Just one digit here. 9 times 7 is 63. The 6 carries. 9 times 2 is 18. Plus that 6 is a 24. 2 carries. 9 times 1 is 9. Plus 2 is 11. And that guy carries. 9 times 4 is 36. Plus 1 is a 37. So it looks like it's 37,143. The next one, number 22. 34.8 times 0.06. Let's write this guy out just a little bit. 34.8 times 0.06. Now, multiplication, we don't need to line up decimals. We just need to multiply everything through. 6 times 8 is 8. 4, that's a 48. 6 times 4 is 24. Plus 4 is 28. Good. 6 times 3 is 18. Plus 2 is 20. Good deal. Now, the 0 can times 3. We put a 0 there, and then 0 times 8 is 0. 0 times 4 is 0. 0 times 3 is 0. Well, that didn't help us at all. 2088. But what it does do is remind us that we have 1, 2, 3 digits that are behind the decimal place. So we need 1, 2, 3 digits behind the decimal place. Good. 2.088. That's our answer. 23. Oh, this is kind of a bigger one here. We're going to have a 3-digit and a 2-digit. Now, before we even do anything, notice that negative times a negative will be positive. So we can just get rid of those guys right at the beginning, because the negative times a negative, it's just going to be 392 times 74. So let's write down and do this in 2 different colors. That's a 7, and let's do that guy's a 4. Okay, 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 9, let's put a multiplication so we know what we're doing. 4 times 9 is 36. That's a 6 there and a 3 there. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 3 is 15. Excellent. Now, 7 times 2, oh, forgot to put the 0 there first. 7 times 2 is 14, carry the 1. 7 times 9 is 63, plus 1 is a 64. And that's a 6 right up there. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 6 is a 27. And so when we add those together, we're going to get 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 5 is 6 plus 4 is 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 7 is 9. And 2 plus 0 is 2. And no decimal places, so just 29,008. Good. All right, number 24. This is a fraction times a fraction, so we go straight across. That 9 times 7 is 63. 5 times 13, let's go ahead and write it over here. 5 times 3 is 15, carry the 1. 5 times 10 is 50, plus 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6, 65. Good, and negative times a positive is negative. So we end up with negative 63/65. Good. Number 25, find the final result. So we might be adding, subtracting, multiplying. Well, this one we have a quantity. Quantity means times. We've got $5.77 for each individual item, and we have 17 of them. So that happens 17 times. So 5.77 times 17. 7 times 7 is 49. Put the 4 up there. 7 times 7 is 49, plus 4 is 53. That's a 3 and a 5. 7 times 5 is 35, plus 5 is a 40. Good. Now we'll do the ones. Put a 0 there. We can forget about those guys for a minute. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 5 is 5. All right. Now we add these. 9 plus 0 is 9. 3 plus 7 is 0. Carry a 1. 1 plus 0 plus 7 is 8. And then 4 plus 5 is 9. $98.09. Yes, 1, 2 decimal places, none down here, so a total of 2 decimal places there. And don't forget the dollar sign. Good. Now number 26. The length is 7/32 of an inch. And the quantity, so we got 3 of those. So we're going to times it by 3, which is the same as 3 over 1. Straight across, 7 times 3 is 21. 32 times 1 is 32. So the total length of all 3 of those pieces, 7/32 plus 7/32 plus 7/32 would be 21/32. Great.